It is said, your life has purpose. Your story is important. Your dreams count. Your voice matters. You were born to make an impact. We all have the task of figuring out why we're here. To ask, what's our purpose? And to seek and find the answer. For without knowing, we remain stuck, not knowing why or how to make an impact. For your purpose is like a compass guiding you, showing you the direction and keeping you focused. It's the key to finding meaning and fulfillment, to finding what really matters and what you want in life. For it is what drives you, energizes you, makes you happy, and touches you deeply. You were put on this earth to live your purpose, to achieve your greatest self. So go live your story, live your dream, live your adventure, and fulfill your purpose.